Hey folks, it's Lauren from Snowy's here looking at the Eagle Creek Packet Reveal cubes.
Hit it.
These cubes are convenient for organising and storing your clothing. They come in a range of different sizes, made from heavy-duty recycled materials. Hold up, to make sure you don't miss any of our awesome content, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get back to it. So the cube comes in a range of different sizes, from an extra small right through to a large. Now they range from 19 centimetres long by 11 centimetres wide, all the way through to 46 centimetres long by 33 centimetres wide. So you've got a range of different sizes there. Also looking at around about 40 grams through to about 120 grams as well. So this particular cube that I've got here is your medium one, which is probably one of the most functional sizes that we've got. It measures about 36 centimetres long by about 25 centimetres wide and weighs around 90 grams. So the whole series of the packet cubes are made from a 300 denier recycled polyester, so it's quite a heavy duty material. And on the front section here we've got a diamond weave mesh, which is also made from a recycled polyester. And the mesh itself, instead of just sort of being individual strands, it's made up of multiple tiny thin sort of strands of polyester there that have woven in to make the thread and the pattern of the diamond. So as you can see, if I sort of give that a really strong pull, it's definitely not stretchy at all, and there's quite a lot of resistance there. So they're a very heavy duty mesh, and definitely not something that I would expect to see sort of tear or puncture very easily. Now, the good thing about the mesh is that not only does it give you visibility with what's in your packing cell, especially when you've got a few on the go at the same time, but it also gives you that ventilation element as well. So we've got a carry handle up the top here, and we've also got a label that sort of indicates the size of the packing cell that you're using. So this handle obviously is good for carrying it around, hanging it up, or also if you've got it sort of stuffed into a cupboard or under your caravan bed or something like that in a camper trailer, you can easily pull it out as well. So I've got a couple of items of clothing here to give you a bit of an idea of the overall capacity, and from that you could potentially use that as a reference for what size packing cube you're going to need. So I've got a medium women's hoodie and t-shirt here, a couple of large men's t-shirts, and a size 32 men's denim jean. Now these are a long one for a 6'2" or 3" sized man there. So I will pop these all in and we'll see how much we can get to fit. So I have rolled these up nice and tight because that is my preferred way of packing clothing when I'm heading on an adventure. Now I was surprised to see how much of this would fit in here, and I did put a bit of effort into squishing the clothes into shape, but that's my last bit of clothing there from that huge pile that I had before, which, as you can see, for a medium-sized packing cube is quite a significant sort of volume of clothing that you've got there. So that's packed nice and tight. You probably couldn't fit much more in there, maybe a pair of socks if you're lucky, but there was no issues doing that zip up either, and there's no stress on any of the stitching seams for the zipper or the bag itself. So that's about it for the Eagle Creek Packet Reveal Cube in the medium that we've done here in the video today, but available in a range of different sizes that you can get at snowys.com.au at our low prices every day.